Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get the free tokens in Monopoly Go with this 2024 guide. So we have two ways here on how we can get these tokens. The first step is by going to album right here at the bottom right of your screen where you can find that album icon. So here basically if you tap on the token right there, we have the Santos Express. So you just need to complete the album to win this token. So basically we have just 1 day left and it will actually change. So you just need to complete all the stickers in your album to get that token on your Monopoly Go. Now the second way here to get the tokens is by going to the three lines right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you tap on the three lines, as you can see, tap on the daily treats. And from here, as you can see, if you play for 7 consecutive days, then you will get this kitty cat token. So that is the two ways on how you can get tokens. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.